What do you got, Wyatt? What are you doing, monkey? Is the monkey walking now? Up off your bum.
He's not. He was picking a rock off of his or something.
Oh. Look at the boy. Yay, Wyatt. Is the milk heavy, sweetheart? Would you like some milk in your bottle? Wyatt, where's your bottle? Where's your bottle? That's not your... Oh, I lied. Good job, Wyatt. Would you like some more milk? High five?
No.
Sure, high five. Wyatt.
No.
No. I can't have my knitting either.